how to review articles you read on Facebook Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review articles you've read on Facebook Mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and click these three lines here and go down until you find settings and privacy, and then click settings, and here just click these three lines, this activity log, and then click this one, profile information, and here you will find it, articles you've read, and here you can review articles you've read on Facebook Mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.